Hey, you guys. Like literally me, right? I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello, everyone, and welcome. Hey, you guys, welcome. Hey, you guys, welcome. It's like, I know people are supposed to say like welcome if you're new here, but like I barely have anybody new coming. So I like feel like I just know you guys, so I can just like start talking. As if, you know, I just like came over and sat on your couch and just started eating your chips and like talking to you. So today's video is another Rebel Misfit unbagging. I believe this is my last prepaid set, and then I think she's probably just going to take out some money in October to send me the next set. But you know what? I have loved these sets so far, so I really don't care. I am going to continue until I decide I don't want to anymore. For now, this is the set for September. It's called Good Vibrations, if that gives you any clue. But before we get into the unbagging, I do want to give you an update on the spooky season giveaway. After I get back from this festival that I'm going to next week, I'm going to be doing a video on my Halloween tree, how I'm decorating it and all of that kind of stuff, and maybe show you a little bit more of the decorations that I got for the Halloween season around the Gothic farmhouse. And that video will be the kickoff to the spooky season giveaway that is going to last until the end of October, of course. Just be on the lookout for that video at the beginning of October so that you can get the link and make sure that you register for that spooky season giveaway. There is a ton of cool stuff in there that I have been collecting, and I'm only bringing this up because yesterday Hobbs and I went to Halloween City after we saw Pearl at the movie theater. Halloween City was pretty off the chain, man. I mean, like they had some really cool stuff and it was all reasonably priced. And so I bought myself a set of these, but I also picked up a set for you guys. These are some Black Skull shot glasses. So I did pick up a set of these to go in the spooky season giveaway. So these are going to you guys as well. I thought they were super, super cute and they were really affordable. So I didn't mind just like buying a set for me and buying a set for you. So there you go. All right, but what we're really here for is the unbagging of the Rebel Misfit pack for this month. I saw the spoilers on Instagram and I was like, God, I want these. Is there ever a month that doesn't happen? I mean, I have just been blown away by this little Great Joy company so far. So this is the September set. It's called Good Vibrations in the mailer. Let's go ahead and unbag her out. I just took it off cinematic mode because I realized I'm going to be shoving things into the camera lens, and when it's on cinematic mode, it doesn't really help that much. Here is the card for this month, and here is all of the things. Again, if you guys want to join, she is still giving me the Kara15 code. This will give you 15% off your single bag, your monthly subscription, however you want to do it. I will put that code below, so please utilize if you can. This is a really, really cool company. I love getting their stuff every month. All right, so let's empty it out. Woo! You know I gotta eat it. Oh, it's like, that's watermelon? It's hard not to mess up this lipstick, you know? Oh, it's so good. Oh yeah, as an inner fat girl, I'm just like, whoa, some sugar is just like bathed me in it. Okay, so as always, you get a little card with care instructions, so that's super cute. Remember, this is like 3 to 5 pieces for like $13 to $15 a month. So we're not getting like super high-end pieces, but we are getting really creative pieces that you can use throughout the month. Changing up accessories is always like a plus in my book, so I'm always super happy to get these, whether they last a long time or not. I haven't had any issues so far. I think one of the pair of gold earrings that I have is looking a little bit dull, but well, you know, you paid fucking 15 bucks for like 5 pieces of jewelry. All right, let's go into the first piece. It is a necklace. This is the Good Vibrations wrap necklace. So it does have the Rebel Misfit branded tag, and oh my gosh, look how cute this is. So this looks like a white quartz crystal pendant with a little star charm. If I had to guess, I would say this is probably like a 18-inch length chain, maybe a tiny bit longer. It's got the nice little lobster claw clasp. So that, I mean, gosh, these, how freaking adorable are these things? I am very, very happy with that. Totally will wear that against the plain black top and it'll stand out. Super, super cute. Really like that one a lot. The next piece are these Good Vibrations Mystic Crystal earrings. Love me some earrings. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, so on the Rebel Misfit branded card, they're again a little like quartz crystal, and they've got like a little moon and star on the string back earring. Oh my gosh, look how adorable those are. Oh my gosh, such a good length. Oh, I can't wait to wear these. If you haven't figured it out by now, Good Vibrations because of the crystals, but look how gorgeous that is. That is super, super cute. Can go with a lot of different outfits. Really, really like those a lot. And the last piece, looks like we got 3 pieces in this one today. This last piece is the Good Vibrations Moon Rock Wrap Ring. Oh, I like this one a lot. Wait till you see this. I've actually always kind of wanted a ring like this. So it's on the Rebel Misfit card, but you can see it's a little piece of quartz that is wrapped around the ring band. This is adjustable. So let's take this off the card. I'm gonna take off my Seed of Life ring and we're gonna put this right on me. Oh yeah, look how cute that is. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh yes, bitch. I like that. Oh, I like that a lot. That is gonna look super cute when I have those earrings in. Here, let's just do it. Let's fucking do it. I will totally be wearing these earrings in future videos, so don't get sick of them. Look how cute this set is. Like, how adorable. Oh my God, I love these. I'm telling you, I can't spend $13 on something better every month. This is super, super cute. God, I can go to the freaking gas station and spend $13 on shit that ain't gonna last like in the next 2 hours. So this is, I'm feeling the vibes, man. This is a cute set. As always, I will link Rebel Misfit's link in the description box below. I'll also put her Instagram up there if you guys want to check out her Instagram and see some of the pieces that have been in her past boxes, bags, whatever you want to call it. Always good to support a small business, you know what I'm saying? That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment on which of these 3 pieces, ring, earrings, or necklace is your favorite, that would be even awesomer. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my unboxing, unbagging, buying, lifestyle antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.